In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save Office Word files to your local PC instead of to OneDrive. If you've ever felt frustrated by having your Word documents automatically saved to the cloud, you'll be glad to know that saving them directly to your local machine is actually quite straightforward. Let's walk through the steps together, shall we? First of all, you'll need to open the Word document you are working on. Launch Word and bring up the document you wish to save on your local PC. You may find this document already open, or perhaps you're starting something new. Either way, the process is the same. Next, navigate to the top left corner of your Word window and click on the File tab. This will bring you to a new screen with several options. From here, select the Save As option. This is a crucial step because this choice allows you to specify exactly where your file will be saved. Once you click Save As, a dialog box will appear on your screen. Now, by default, Word may suggest saving your document in OneDrive if it's set up to sync your files to the cloud. Instead of going with the default option, look for and select This PC. Choosing This PC ensures that your document will be stored directly on your local device, rather than in a cloud-based folder. After selecting This PC, you'll see a variety of folders on your computer. This is the point where you can pick exactly where you'd like your document to reside. Carefully browse through the directory and choose a folder that you feel good about, maybe a designated spot where you keep other important documents. If you haven't set up such a folder yet, this could be a perfect time to start organizing. Once you've chosen your desired location, double-check that everything looks correct, the folder is right, and the file name is as you want it to be. When you're satisfied with your selections, simply click the Save button. Your document is now safely stored on your local system, giving you quick access whenever you need it. Even if you're offline, remember, knowing how to manage where your files are saved can save you time and hassle in the future. Not to mention, it gives you direct control over your file storage, which is particularly important if you're working with sensitive documents or if you have limited cloud storage space. I hope you found this guide useful. Feel free to practice these steps until they become second nature. That's it for today's tutorial. Thanks for joining me, and I'll see you in the next video.